Page 164, this is the Sally Go Round, the first one. We're harmonizing these pieces on these two pages, 164, 165, so get more practice at harmonizing. You have to figure out what the chord is. That's the problem. They're not telling you what the chord is. And we do that really by ear, but you can also kind of do it by the notes, and they kind of explain it up there. So in this first one, it's in the key of E flat major, here. So the chords are going to be 1, 4, 5, 7, 1. And when the melody is playing primarily the notes in the one chord, you use the one chord. They tell you up above. So then they say when you're using tones 2, 4, 5, and 7, these, then you're going to use the 5, 7 chords because those notes pretty much are in the 5, 7 chords. So it's you got these notes. And then when you're using 1, 4, 6, the notes in the 4 chord, you use the 4 chord. You have to listen for which notes the melody is predominantly or mainly playing, and that's the chord you're going to use. So we're in the key of E flat major, 6, 8 time. Let's get the melody first. Make sure we can play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, well, they give you the little lines there as that's when you're going to do a chord. It may be the same chord or a different chord. We're going to figure that out. So we're starting out here for the first two measures here. Well, that's predominantly a one chord. So we're going to do a one chord on those. And then for the next one, well, the one chord isn't there. The 4 chord is, or the 5, 7. But here, I think it's the 4 chord. And then back to the 1 chord. And then back to measure 5. And then here. And they're telling you up there that the dominant always precedes the tonic at the end. In these exercises it's going to. In music itself, no. It will a lot, probably most of the time, but it doesn't have to. Some other chord could precede the tonic at the end. It doesn't have to be the dominant. But in these exercises, it's going to be the dominant, the 5 chord, 5, 7 chord. So it's a 1, 4, 5, 7. Got them all in there. So I started out with a 1. And a 1, and a 4, 1, back to the 1, and now it's 5, 7. Okay, so I got the harmony. Then they show you the pattern. They want you to use the broken chord pattern. Whatever. That's there. I went a little fast, but the idea is we figure out what the harmony is, and then we go put it all together with the pattern they want. And then above the staff, you put in the note name or the chord names. E flat. The 4 chord is an A flat chord. I just put the E on the bottom. A flat, E flat, and the 5, 7 chord. Well, it's a B flat 7. Excuse me. So it's a B flat 7. That's 5 chord. Underneath, you're putting the Roman numerals. 1, 4, V, 7. You get it? Okay. Let me know if you have questions about all I have to say on this one right now.